All right, so here's a common HO scale caboose. Let's say I wanted to wrap this up for shipping, and I wanted to protect the smokestack and the end details. I've got some ladders and wheels and couplers that stick out pretty far. I want to keep those things safe. So, just some common stuff that you would use. I got some bubble wrap here. I've got some foam padding. I've got some peanuts. If you don't have peanuts, you could take some paper and wad it up, and it would do the same thing. So, and then I'd want some tape. To protect this, I just want to have something that sticks up higher than this does. So some ways to do that would be to maybe take a few peanuts like this here, and maybe another one here, and another one here. Basically just place them around that smokestack, which is right in the middle there. And do that on a piece of bubble wrap. I place it down like this. I can roll the piece over. Those things stay. And I roll this over. Maybe you can see the smokestack is in there, right? And it's pretty well protected. If I was worried about the end detail, with this I'm not super worried about it, but these are pretty tough. But if I was worried about the end detail, I might also take a few of these and stick them here. And do that on both sides. And with a little bit of luck and some slow moving, you can get all that stuff in there like that. Right? And just kind of roll these up like a present. All right? And you can stop right there. That's plenty good. I could cut this and tape it closed, and that's all set. All right? This works with this kind of foam stuff too, instead of the bubble wrap. And you could even do it with paper. I think the main thing is and paper's not as good, but still better than nothing. Main thing is to put something up here, whether it's the foam or some little I don't know, like burritos of kind of crumpled up, rolled up paper, to protect the pokey out bits. And that's it. From there, everything's smooth sailing, and you can line these up in a box. Make a number of these little burritos and in a box, and you're good to go. As long as they're not jiggling around, then they should be nice and safe for transport. So that's my shipping methodology. Hope that helps.